I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Today, we're going to be doing an SP rampage where by the end of this video, I would have successfully manifested your SP. Wait until the end and you'll see. That rhymed. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would absolutely love to have you here. I am also offering 4 courses, which you can check out at ritakaminsky.com. It is the Manifest Your SP course, the Perfect Self-Concept course, the Game of Alignment course, and Subliminal Secrets. All pretty self-explanatory if you ask me. I also have one-on-one coaching available on my website where I offer 3, 6, or 9 email packages. We just talk back and forth. You tell me your situation, what you want to manifest. I lay out the support, the manifesting routine that you need and answer any questions that you need. You can ask me anything. You can talk to me. I will reply. You can ask me a question at 3 a.m. I will be there. For my low ticket offer, you can join me on members only, which is also collective coaching. For $10 a month, you can be coached by me in a tight-knit group community where everyone talks and I answer all of your questions in a video format. That is a pretty good deal. We have a Discord group chat and it's just a fun time overall. Also, if you would like to get a customized subliminal by me, all of the information is on ritakaminsky.com along with the courses, the one-on-one coaching, and the collective coaching. And without further ado, let's get into it. She ain't that 20 mil, she run it up. She can never be broke cause she popular. Tell her what came on for the followers. Your SP is infatuated by you. All of the songs that Drake wrote about being in love with this girl, that girl, that girl, all of those girls are like wrapped up into one, and your SP sees you as the ultimate woman. He would literally write those songs about you. His feelings and emotions are powerful. They run deep and they go deeper and deeper as the days go by. He wants to live with you. He wants to die with you. Every single mother effing romance novel, all of the cute shit that the men say, he thinks about you. And he will say it the next time you go on a date. Because I just manifested it, bitch. You are powerful, you are unique, you are popular. He loves that you are loved by everyone. You're loved by all of your school friends, all of your family members, acquaintances, strangers. Most importantly, babies smile at you and dogs run up to you on the street because they can feel your aura and your energy. You have the clearest skin, you have the smoothest hair, you have the widest, straightest smile, you have the brightest, most beautiful, biggest, deepest eyes that he just cannot get enough of. And he will want to stare into your soul for as long as he is allowed until it is not socially acceptable. But if he could, he would pause time right now just so he could stare at you. Study each and every single centimeter and inch of your body. Be a fly on the wall and just watch you. Yeah, it's creepy, but he wants to do that. He wants to listen to your conversations with people. He wants to know you from all areas and sides. He wants to know your opinion on everything. He respects it. He finds it incredibly engaging and interesting. He wants to engage in those conversations with you. He also wants to be engaged to you. He wants to propose. And he is manifesting that each and every single day. It doesn't matter if he just saw you, he used to be a stranger yesterday. He is planning that motherfucking wedding because he knows your end game. You are the best that has ever done it and who will ever do it. Girls, women, huh? What is that? He doesn't know what women and girls are at all because you came in like a tsunami and just dragged him up from his feet. You just slid him right into your soul and vice versa. The soul tie bond that he has to you is unexplainable. It freaks him out, but it gets him excited. It more so gets him excited. He plans for the future. He is worried that he's like too emotional. You know how guys get when they're like, oh, why am I in my feelings so much? Like, he's kind of worried for himself himself because he's like, why am I feeling so in love and like thinking like a girl? You know how they are, ladies. He is freaked out and the thoughts are running him. The thoughts are thinking him, not the other way around. Even if he wanted to, but he wouldn't because he doesn't want to, he loves this. But even if he wanted to, he would not be able to get those thoughts of you out of his mind. Him and you, perfect love story. No author could even fathom writing a love story like yours because it is pure magic that cannot be replicated or told in words. The emotions, the feelings, the magic, the aura, the energy, everything, it's unexplainable. It's just like oil to a flame. It's the speed of light. It's just unexplainable magic. How do you explain love? You don't really. You can compare it to something like being toasty in bed, all cuddled up in your blankies. That does in comparison to how he feels about you. His skin is crawling with literal bugs. Have you seen The Mummy? Viewer discretion advised. I'm gonna be rolling the clip right now, but it's really creepy. The bugs are literally crawling all over, like underneath that guy's skin, and like he dies from that because they like eat him alive. He knows that that's gonna happen to him. Like he is fucking terrified because the insects are the thoughts of you. They're in his skin just running rampant. He knows that if he doesn't do anything about it, like contact you, like ask you out on a date, like propose to you, like move in with you, like marry you, like have children with you, like grow old with you and make you happy for the rest of y'all's lives, he will literally collapse from fainting, from being eaten by bugs. All you have to do is wait. All you have to do is be in your feminine energy, sit back and motherfucking receive, because he has no choice. It hurts his body, his soul, his mind, his life. He's affected by it on all categories: friendships, school, work, money, business, fitness. He just can't do it without you. He's realized that as we speak, and he's contacting you right now. Claim it in the comments down below. Comment 111. It is done, and it is done. It is already done. I love you all so much. I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed, and I manifested that you are literally the best manifester that has ever lived. You are that one. You are the only one. You are Himothy. You are that girl. I hope you are having an absolutely ball of a day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.
I'm keeping it. I'm getting can, I'm keeping it. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Shawty fuck on me 'cause you know I'm popular. Popular, born to be popular.